The latest news on the battery front concerns the launch of the Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus high-performance Edge battery. It's a pack that promises to push performance higher thanks to emerging design technology. Now, there are two major upgrades in these batteries. The first is the use of 21700 cells. It's been several years since we first started seeing these in power tool batteries. The larger cell maintains the same series grouping, that's 5 cells per row in an 18-volt or 20-volt max battery, while increasing the capacity and available power it can transfer to the tool. Enter tabless cell connections, something we first saw with the launch of Milwaukee's Forge batteries. By using a tabless design, a Ryobi high-performance Edge battery can deliver more power while running cooler. The design also allows for faster charging and significantly longer service life. Ryobi developed this battery for its popular 18-volt 1 Plus system that now boasts more than 300 products. The commitment Ryobi continues to make is that every 18-volt 1 Plus battery works with every 18-volt 1 Plus tool, and that's true for the HP Edge pack as well. But what tools benefit from this advanced battery? The shorter answer is all of them. However, you'll notice a bigger difference in more power-hungry tools. Here's a quick look at the results of Ryobi's internal testing. For the first test, we saw the 6.5-inch HP brushless compact circular saw cutting 2 sheets of stacked 3/4-inch OSB. Now the 4 amp-hour battery, that's the standard one, took 19.4 seconds. The 4 amp-hour high-performance pack was 16.2 seconds. The 8 amp-hour high-performance pack took 12.5 seconds. Now the 4 amp-hour high-performance Edge battery took just 12 seconds. Now this is a standard test that we use as well, and it can expose big power differences between saws. Prior to the release of the Edge, I would recommend the 4 amp-hour high-performance battery for this saw. The fact that the Edge pack beat that battery by more than 4 seconds is eye-opening. In a second test, we saw the 12-inch HP brushless chainsaw cutting a 10-inch log. Now that 4 amp-hour standard battery took That standard 4 amp-hour battery needed 25.15 seconds, the 4 amp-hour high-performance pack needed 23.23 seconds, the 8 amp-hour high-performance battery took 20.02 seconds, and the 4 amp-hour high-performance Edge needed 19.81 seconds. And like the circular saw, I would have chosen the 4 amp-hour high-performance battery for this chainsaw. The 8 amp-hour high-performance pack is a legitimate choice, but I would have opted to keep the weight down on this model. Cutting near the limit of the saw's capacity, you can see how much faster the Ryobi high-performance Edge battery allows this saw to cut, even beating out that 8 amp-hour option while keeping the working weight in check. The last test that Ryobi showed off was the HP brushless half-inch hammer drill in high speed using a 2-inch self-feed bit in 2x white pine lumber, and they used a 3-hole set for each one. Now the 4 amp-hour standard battery took 12.67 seconds to complete it. The 4 amp-hour high-performance battery needed 9.92 seconds. The 8 amp-hour high-performance battery needed 8.34 seconds, and once again Edge was in the lead. That 4 amp-hour high-performance Edge battery needed 7.92 seconds. Now, this test was interesting because it pushed the limit of what the battery could accomplish in that tool. Working in high speed, the standard battery had to start and stop to complete that test. While the 2 high-performance batteries were able to complete the holes without delay, it's clear that the high-performance Edge still has the edge. And the Edge is well named in my opinion. On one hand, it moves the edge of Ryobi's current capabilities further out, revitalizing the tools you already have. On the other hand, the edge of the 18-volt 1 Plus system's limitations moved further out as well. With a power source that has higher performance potential, the product team has the opportunity to take its core products to the next level and develop tools that might have seemed out of reach before. There may be other considerations as well. Seeing Edge design move into the 40-volt system has the potential to make it more efficient and boost the power level even higher as more areas of the country look for gas engine replacements. I have no doubt the product team is already way ahead of me though, and I'm looking forward to seeing how the Ryobi high-performance Edge battery changes the landscape for DIYers and value-minded pros. As usual, Home Depot is the exclusive retailer for Ryobi's newest battery. The price is still to be announced, but we can expect a launch sometime in the summer of 2024. If you have any questions or feedback for us, feel free to drop those in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're here. As always, thanks for watching.